Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I wanted to do a real quick update on my containers and some annuals I have in the front of my garden beds and the border that I bought on clearance. Now in each container, both containers, I planted 4 Calabacoas or 4 Super Bells Grape Punch by Proven Winners, and I planted them in April, like the second week of April. I'm in zone 6B, 7A. I'm in Maryland, so I'm like in the middle of between both zones. And the weather back then, it was very finicky. It was very funny, but it was very warm. You had like mid 70s. So I planted these back then. And I must say, I am so impressed. Like, they are trailing down like crazy. Woo! See? This is why I don't like coming out here at this time of day to record videos, because all these goddamn bugs just ugh. Now, last week or 2 weeks ago, I had budworms, like really bad. I had budworms in both containers, and they decimated my flowers, which upset me. Like, I was really upset. Like, I didn't plant these flowers for you. I planted these flowers for me, for my enjoyment, for my eyes. You know what I'm saying? So I sprayed them with BT. And that seemed to work. I now spray them like every 7 to 14 days to make sure to stay on top of it, that they don't come back. So when I planted these, I planted them with Biotone Starter Fertilizer. And then once a week, I fertilize with Scott Super Bloom. Has chelated iron. So this is another option, a great option if you can't get your hands on the Proven Winners Water Soluble Fertilizer. This is great. You can find this at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's the same price. This right here, in these containers right here, are from Better Homes and Garden. They are small doublet. Look, they have double flowers, okay? They have double flowers, and they're from Better Home and Garden. And they were only, I think, $12 a container, which carried 9 plants in each. It wasn't that bad. I don't think the price was that bad. And they trail over, guys. Look at that. They trail over. I'm happy with them. I have no complaints. They are doing amazing. Now, these evergreen centerpieces I bought on clearance for $6. They're about this size when I first planted them. They were really small, and they have grown a lot. They're green and lush. They are happy. Arborvitaes love water, so they're on drip. But the Calabacoas, they don't like that much water, so you have to let it dry out just a little bit. But so far, so good. The excess water that the Calabacoas will need, the Arborvitae will suck that up. So they are a great pair, a great match. I also planted the Arborvitae, or my evergreen centerpiece, to save me some money, because I like to change my containers every season. And I don't got money to be changing out the whole container every season. Like, I use an evergreen centerpiece, and then I just change out my annuals in the front. Super simple, super easy, and cost effective, guys. So I'm loving this. This is beautiful. So next, I'm going to show you guys my railing planters and some annuals I have in the front. Okay guys, so here is an update of my railing planters. As you can see, my Bordeaux, my Super Tunia Bordeaux, is starting to trail over, and it has so many buds on it, guys. It is gorgeous. I just can't wait. And then the Vista Fuchsia, the Vista Fuchsias are just taking over on this side, because there's actually a Bordeaux in here as well, but it's not performing as, as I thought it would. So maybe it's trailing in the back instead. And then you have the Super Beanas in the back. They are not doing much. They're not putting on much height, which is okay. But I love these planters. Gorgeous. The Bordeaux just stands out, and I love how they intermingle with each other right here. I love it. It's just gorgeous. Guys, look at this bubblegum. Super Tunia Vista bubblegum. It is huge. You hear me? It has tripled in size since I planted this plant, and I'm loving it. The Silverberry is trying to keep up, but it is no match for the Vista bubblegum. Even though they're both in the Vista series, I just love it. All I do is fertilize once a week with the same Scott Super Bloom water soluble fertilizer, and that's all I did. Oh, by the way, I got him from the dollar store. This is the front of the bed. And guys, the groundhogs came in and demolished my sweet potato vines. They're just bouncing back. And I love the look of it trailing over. Ignore the weeds. It's been raining like every single day. Now let me show you my super beanas. Look at that. I bought 21 of these plants, $1 each. They were on clearance and they did not look like this. This is showing up red, but it's like a hot fuchsia pink in person. Gorgeous. Everything is just spreading like crazy. I just need to weed, because for some reason it's like I weed today and 3 weed pop back up in the same place. I love it. So I put them down on a border in the front. I need to edge my grass and weed. A lot of work. So that's that, guys. So I just wanted to give you guys like a quick update on my plants, on these containers, and my railing planters. So until next time, I see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.